Our radiation therapy team has developed a proprietary technology that confirms the amount of radiation you receive during each treatment session. It validates that you get just the right dosage every time you are treated.
Once we've made the decision that the patient is going to require radiation therapy, they will come in for an initial simulation, and that's really how we draw up the blueprints of the treatment. And we basically make a 3D model of that patient and contour all of the internal organs so that we can come up with a custom treatment plan for that patient.
Tumors react differently to radiation over the course of treatment, and as a result, the plan may need to be altered to deliver the optimum amount of radiation during each treatment session.
The system that we use is something that we developed entirely in-house. What's further unique about it is that it provides on a daily basis feedback to the physician about the exact dose of radiation that was delivered to the patient.
So this allows us not only a safety margin, but also it'll allow us to adapt the therapy to the patient so that we can actually make corrections for small changes.
The technology validates that you are set up correctly on the treatment table, and even identifies when radiation doses need to be modified because of changes in your tumor size, shape, or location.
How this system works is that radiation that passes through the patient during a treatment delivery is received and measured by a separate device just opposite of the radiation beam. This device will then send this radiation information to a computer that will then translate that information into radiation doses that are delivered to the body. This is the report that is made available on a daily basis to our physicians to assess and verify that the treatment that was prescribed closely matches the actually delivered treatment.
Right.
The purpose for us is twofold. One, it serves the safety purpose. This is something that has greatly pleased our patients, but also it allows our physicians to be insightful about what's happening to a tumor as the patient is going through treatment. That would prompt us to replan the patient's treatment once that tumor had diminished in size.
That sort of quality assurance where at the end of the day, you can tell that every patient who you treated was treated in accord with your treatment plan, such that there's certainty that you know what you delivered and where you delivered it. I think it's an important feature to radiation therapy at this company, and it's a feature which really has not yet been developed outside this company.
We are the only provider that has implemented such a safety and decision-making tool on such a broad scale.